Hi everyone! There is a certain tenderness in the air as the spring sun begins to warm our heart. It's the perfect time to explore our most beloved seasonal theme, the sakura. To many of us, these blossoms represent a beautiful way of life, blooming fully and letting go with such grace. Their fleeting beauty is a quiet reminder to cherish every moment to its fullest. I see this same resilience in motherhood. Just like the cherry blossom that brighten our world without asking for anything in return, a mother's devotion is a steady, selfless light that we deeply treasure, especially as Mother's Day approaches. This year, let's draw inspiration from that gentleness to wrap our feelings with care. While the gift itself is lovely, the heart you put into the wrapping is the most precious gift of all. Let's create a lasting memory through this art together. Today, I'll share some elegant and delicate sakura designs through an ASMR experience, perfect for Mother's Day. And please stay with me until the very end, as I have an exciting announcement that I have been waiting to share with you. I hope you enjoy this while thinking of someone special. Now, let's begin. Before we wrap up today, I have something close to my heart that I would love to share with you. Have you ever paused to wonder, what is it exactly that makes gift wrapping so truly special? For me, the true magic of wrapping is this. It takes something invisible, a gentle feeling tucked deep in your heart, and transforms it into something you can see, touch, and experience with all 5 senses. It's the moment a fleeting emotion becomes a tangible gift that brings joy to everyone it touches. After more than 20 years as a gift wrapping designer, I've come to believe that when a gift is wrapped with genuine care, that warmth doesn't stop with the person receiving it. It ripples outward, making the people around them smile and traveling from one person to the next, like rings spreading across still water. That's the world I believe wrapping can create. And it's the world I want to build together with you. That's why I created the Tsumugu membership. It's a small, intimate online community where we explore the art of gift wrapping and the beauty of traditional Japanese craft, slowing down and creating with heart. Each month, centered around the seasonal theme, we will gather for exclusive video lessons and a live workshop with a guest instructor, connecting with others who value the same quiet beauty. The first 30 members of Tsumugu aren't just early subscribers. They are the ones who help weave this community into being. We call them founding members, and we are welcoming them now with special benefit. If this feels like your kind of place, all the details are at the link below. I would love for you to be one of them.